Hello everyone, this is Jim Okersinski with your week 4 screencast video. So as I say in my announcement here, we are moving into the drafting and peer review week. I just want to emphasize that this week's activities, first draft, peer review report, and your 2 peer reviews are worth up to a total of 25 points. Not to mention they all lead to the final draft of SA1, which is worth 150 points. So this activity is almost 20% of your course grade. So I want to get to this week's schedule. The first draft and peer report are due Thursday, end of day. I've changed around the schedule and I've added some readings, additional readings in to clarify and help out the activities we'll be working on this week. First draft peer report is due on Thursday, as I said, and also your 2 peer reviews are due on Sunday, end of day. I believe the final draft of your SA1 will be due next Tuesday. So I want to emphasize also that I am posting a special edition video later in the week specifically about drafting, peer review, your folder in the Drive account, also how to, really how to fill out a peer review report and do a peer review. In fact, if you want to refresh your memory on essay basics, I have here, you should look and review pages 6 to 12 in the Ret Comp Warrior textbook. I talk about essay basics, MLA guidelines. I provide you a link to the Purdue OWL if you're looking for further resources. Here you can see the way a MLA document should be formatted. If you reviewed the literacy narrative assignments in the appendix, there should be clear example there about how those essays were formatted. Also, I provide some essay writing tips about being creative with the title, repeating phrases and cliches. I also have some information about being thorough in your writing as you are describing your literacy narrative experiences. Then I talk some of the grammar issues that I see, like what coordinating conjunctions are, and then I roll on down to subordinating conjunctions. We'll probably revisit this particular section as we move on through the semester, as I get a chance to review everybody's writing habits in an extended format like an essay. Also, by Thursday, you're going to want to visit pages 19 and 20. I have a couple of sections here which will talk about revision and the art of revision, moving through the peer review process. I also have a section here on how to write your peer review report. I suggest everybody take the time to read that. Remember, your peer review reports and peer reviews are assessed and they are graded, right? So you want to review these sections here, okay? How to write a peer review and what we're looking at the topic of revision. And this might be very helpful for you as we move through the very first unit and our first essay attempt. So seriously, I would consider looking at how to write a peer review, how to write a peer review and report before the first draft and peer report are due. So as you approach the first draft, you want to make sure that you review the assignment. I've commented on a lot of different possible topics. Read the essay assignment one more time. I urge everyone to keep up with this week's videos. Especially the special edition video that'll be published within a day or two, so you are familiar with how to go through the step-by-step process of uploading a draft, uploading a peer review report, and then into your folder in the Drive account, and then uploading those links along with your peer review links to Canvas for assessment, for grading. Okay, so I think it's important that these videos be reviewed. Take your time, do them thoroughly and with purpose. All right. So that's what we have for about the screencast video this week. If you have any questions or issues, I want to remind everybody, once again, I do have open office hours. These are drop-in office hours. I open up a WebEx on Tuesday and Thursday from 9 to 11. All last week I said they begin in week 3, and nobody came to drop in and ask me any questions. So as we move through the essay process, I urge everyone to find the link in the announcement. I posted the announcement about virtual office hours. All you have to do is click on that link, join the session in WebEx. I have it open from 9 to 11. It might be a really great time for you to ask some questions and clarify some issues, okay? All right, like I said, I will post the special edition video, and I will post the lecture video later in the week. So, critical week of activity, and then we're going to move on next week into our new unit, writing the summary. All right, thank you everyone, and be safe.